Welcome back, guys, to Unlockable Character. Today is July 4th, so happy Independence Day. Let's turn this car on, guys. Put it into track mode. Put that thing in Hawk Tour all-wheel drive sport. Let's get going. Hopefully the GoPro doesn't overheat. Turn that AC up and blast it on the GoPro. I think there's a marathon happening in the city, so there's a lot of police blocking roads. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it, guys? Can't tell me that doesn't sound good, guys. Do a speed run to get home. I'm trying to go to Lake Lanier with my girlfriend and her parents to celebrate. I said I'd wake up and go to the gym, and I did, guys, so you know, there's some discipline for you. Even on my day off, I'm getting video, getting content, going to the gym, spending time with my loved ones, you know what I mean? That's what it's about. Get that Waze on, guys, so we know where we're headed. Or I should say, I know where I'm headed, I just don't know where the police are. The road pirates. Sounds nice. Oh. We do have the car in comfort suspension settings. Oh, feels like a roller coaster, that road. Oh. Oh my gosh. That feels good, guys. That feels good. So today is Thursday. On Saturday morning, we're gonna finally put the wing on, guys. We're also gonna put the splitter on, and Sunday is then caffeine and octane, so we'll be able to kind of display the car. Look at this, look at this. Absolutely retarded. Speed up. Stupidity never fails to surprise me, guys. tunnels real quick, right? I think that's a Porsche up there. That looks sick. You notice, guys, you brake before you get to the turn. You don't want to be braking and downshifting in the middle of a turn because that'll actually throw the balance off of the car. Yes sir, guys, yes sir, that sounds so good. And you can tell when I'm actually upshifting, sometimes I'm slowing the car because I'm not accelerating as much as when I upshift. I'm just upshifting to balance the car and lower the RPMs. Just wants to go, guys. It just wants to go so hard. Upshift was to slow the car down a little bit and get high in the RPM range so that we can rev it a little bit. Oh. Oh my God, guys. I hope you enjoyed.